Love, as an incredibly powerful and spectacular feeling, make our life wonderful and brighter. But the death of a loved one overwhelm our life with sorrow and grief. In this video, I'll be sharing some ideas on how to manage ourselves during the loss of loved ones. Friends, in our society, the concept of death is so terribly perceived that even thinking of this, people experience difficult emotions like anger, anxiety, loneliness, which can have significant impact on their health and life too. Some wrong beliefs like after the death of someone, we should not have fun or enjoyment like before. Male people are usually not expected to cry or ventilate their emotions because they are expected to be strong and brave always. This kind of myths make the condition of the person more vulnerable. Over dependency, lack of self trust, fear of losing someone's attention can be some other possible reasons behind our fear. Friends, love is not about increasing our dependency on others. Love is all about empowering and enabling each other so that we can chase our dreams, we can face the challenges in our life. True love is about standing and supporting each other whenever we require. Understanding the concept of life and death, accepting the fact that death is a part of life help us to increase our coping skill and our strength. Expanding ourselves, building connections with more and more people gives us a wider vision about the true meaning of this only life. It is not a problem at all to think of the person, remember the person, and talk about the person with someone else who is no more there in our life. What matters, whenever we all are alive, we need to understand the significance of this life. We need to create some great stories so that after death we can inspire someone, we can bring smile in others' life. So let us stand for each other, let us help each other to do something remarkable, create some great stories so that we will be remain forever in others' memory even after death.